Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. So today we are going to work on blending some words again. We're going to learn about L blends, and we're going to learn 4 new high frequency words. So those are the 3 things we're going to do today. So first, let's work on some blending. So I'm going to model 2 words, and then we're going to do some together. So the first word is b-a-x. Let me do that again. B-a-x. So now let's work on blending those letters. B-a-x, box, box. So that word would be box. Okay, here's our next word that I'm going to model. B-l-a-b. B-l-a-b. Bull-ab. Blob, blob, blob. Like there is a blob of glue on your paper. Now let's try some together. Here we go. O-a-p. Ready? O-a-p. So I want you to try to blend that together. So if you need to pause to blend that, go ahead and do that. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to figure it out together. O-a-p. Lap, lap. Like the baby sat in its mom's lap. Okay, next one. O-a-p. Okay, I'm going to say that again. O-a-p. Okay, so pause that and go ahead and try to figure that one out on your own. And then go ahead and hit resume when you are ready to come back. Okay, friends, here we go. So we have O-a-p. Full app. Flap. Flap, like the bird will flap its wings. Okay, friends, we're going to do one more word, and then we're going to move on to L blends. A-p. A-p. So go ahead and stop the video if you need to, and then come on back when you're ready. Okay, friends, so let's check. A-p. Rap. Rap, like Miss Greathouse couldn't rap. No, not very good at that, friends. Okay, friends, so great job there. And we're going to head on over to our letter tiles to look and learn about L blends. Okay, friends, so you can see our L down here, and we have 5 different L blends that we're going to talk about today. So really quick, we're going to review our sounds for all of these letters individually, and then we'll talk about L blends. So remember, B says B as in boy. So we're going to say B says B all together one time. Here we go. B says B. Awesome job. Next letter. Remember, C says K as in cat. So we're going to say C says cat all together one time. Here we go. Or I'm sorry, C says K. One time all together. Here we go. C says K. Awesome job, friends. And then we have the letter G. And remember, G says G as in go. So G says G all together. Here we go. G says G. Awesome job, friends. And our next letter is the letter P. Excuse me. And remember, P says P as in pumpkin. Here we go. P says P all together. P says P. Awesome job, friends. And next is our letter S. And remember, S says S, like in snake. So we're going to say S says S all together. Here we go. S says S. Awesome. And then a very important letter for this week, guys, is the letter L, because we're learning about L blends. So remember, L says O as in lion. Okay, all together, L says O one time. Here we go. L says O. Awesome job, friends. So these are all sounds that we already know. So now we're going to put some of these letters together to make L blends. So B and L make an L blend. Okay? Uh-oh. So we know that B says B and L says ol. B, ol, ol, like boll-ob, bleep, or blip, or bleed. So we have ol, like black. Okay? Then we have CL for another L blend. So we have k, ol, coal, coal. Some of these sound really funny, guys. Like clap, or click, or clack. Okay, so I want you to practice saying that. Coal, coal. Okay. Then we have our G and L blend. G, ol, goal, like glad, or glob. Okay, so let's practice saying that. Goal, goal, goal. Good job, friends. Next we have our PL blend. Pull, pull, like play, or plaque. Okay, so let's practice saying that. Pull, pull, pull. Good job, friends. Last L blend is SL. So we have soul, soul, like slick or slap. Okay? So let's practice saying that a few times. Miss Greyhouse can't talk today, friends. Here we go. Soul, soul. Good job, friends. So we are going to start building some words. Okay, friends, so you can see I've added some new letters and sounds. So we have CK, which says K, okay? We have our double S, which just says S, like a snake. We have A that says A, and we have I that says I. So the first word we're going to build is glass, glass. Like there was a piece of glass on the ground. So we have goal, ass, glass. So goal, we know that's going to be our GL blend because we sounded that out earlier. And I'm going to underline that. So that's our blend is goal, GL. So we have goal, ah, ah. We know that's our A sound. Glass, glass. Friends, and this is where it gets really tricky because if you remember, a lot of the times when we have S on the end of words, it's our double S. So this is where our double S comes in. So we have goal, ass, glass. Okay, and I want you to go ahead and I want you to write this down. And I want you to make sure that you are underlining your L blends, which is G and L. So go ahead and pause the video and then resume when you're ready to. Okay, friends. So Miss Greyhouse is going to go ahead and move on to our next word. So our next word is slick, slick, slick. Okay, so we have soul. We know that's our SL blend. And Miss Greyhouse is going to go ahead and underline that for, underline those two. Hold on, Miss Greyhouse is struggling for a second, friends. Here we go. There we go. So we have soul, we know that's our I, our vowel. Soul, and we have our CK sound. Soul, slick, slick. So I want you to go ahead and pause and write that down. And then, friends, we're going to do one more word. Okay, so I'm glad you friends are back and ready to go. And our last word is a color word, and it is the color black. Bowl. So we know that's our BL blend. And Ms. Greathouse is once again going to underline our L blend for us. So we have bull, we know that's our A. Bull, and that is our CK sound. It is on the end of a word. So we have bull, black, black. Okay, friends, go ahead and write that down, and then whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and resume the video. So, friends, we're going to head on over, and we're going to learn 4 new high-frequency words today. Okay, friends, we have 4 new sight words today, and remember, we're going to read, spell, and write them. So here we go. Our first sight word is be. Like, there will be some rain today. So we're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. Be. Again. B. One more time. B. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it, and we're going to spell it just like this. B-E-B. 3 times all together. Here we go. B-E-B. Again. B-E-B. One more time. B-E-B. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to use our magic letters, and we're going to write it. So we're going to go B-E-B. 3 times all together. Here we go. B-E-B. Again, B-E-B. One more time. B-E-B. Awesome job, friends. Moving on to our next sight word. Our next sight word is come. Like, they will come outside to play. So we're going to read that 3 times all together. Here we go. Come. Again, come. One more time. Come. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it, and we're going to spell it just like this. C-O-M-E, come. 3 times all together. Here we go. C-O-M-E, come. Awesome job, friends. Again, C-O-M-E, come. One more time. C-O-M-E, come. Okay, friends. Now we're going to spell it or write it using our magic letters, just like this. C-O-M-E, come. We're going to do that 3 times all together. Here we go. C-O-M-E, come. Again. C-O-M-E, come. One more time. C-O-M-E, come. Awesome job, friends. We're going to head on over to our next sight word, which is good. Like, have you been good this year? So we're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. Good. Again, good. One more time. Good. Awesome job, friends. Okay, now we're going to spell it 3 times just like this. G-O-O-D, good. Okay, 3 times all together. Here we go. G-O-O-D, good. Again, G-O-O-D, good. One more time. G-O-O-D, good. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to write it with our magic letters just like this. G-O-O-D, good. All together, here we go. G-O-O-D, good. Again, G-O-O-D, good. One more time. G-O-O-D, good. Awesome job, friends. Okay, our last sight word is pull. Like, you have to pull the door open. So let's read it 3 times all together. Here we go. Pull. Again, pull. One more time. Pull. Now we're going to spell it 3 times just like this. P-U-L-L, pull. 3 times all together. Here we go. P-U-L-L, pull. Again, P-U-L-L, pull. One more time. P-U-L-L, pull. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to write it using our magic letters just like this. P-U-L-L, pull. 3 times all together. Here we go. P-U-L-L, pull. Again, P-U-L-L, pull. One more time. P-U-L-L, pull. Awesome job, friends. You guys did a great job today. So remember, we learned how to blend words, we learned some L blends, and we learned 4 new sight words. So head on over to Seesaw and you're going to complete your work on L blends today. Have a great day, guys.